What's up, everyone? This is Roman from HandyLink, and today we're gonna have a special tutorial on how to run Facebook ads. So I'm gonna do a Facebook ads for roofers again, guys. I just made a Google Ads for roofers video. Make sure you go to my channel, check it out before you watch this video. But if you guys are on a lower budget side, this is the place you should stay at. Basically, how Facebook ads works is there's two options. You can run a video ad or you can run a image ad. So, what do I recommend? If you want to get higher quality leads, run video ads. If you want to get just volume of leads, you don't care about quality, run image ads because the cost per lead is dirt cheap, but the quality is not going to be as good. So, right now, I just have one of my campaigns I have running. So, in the last, apparently, this is I was running since last 30 days actually. We generated over 70 leads. Cost per lead is around $20, and we spent around $1,400. And notice how each campaign, like $8, 18, 31, 26. So each campaign, we have a different cost per lead. So if you guys are a roofing contractor, you don't want to pay agency, you want to run your own ads, this is for you. So how to get started is you got to be on Facebook Ads Manager. So how to get there, you need to make a Facebook business account, all that good stuff. I'm not going to go over here. I'm just going to show you how to launch a campaign. So you're going to click on this beautiful button called Create, and you're going to click on Leads because you want to get leads, right? So click Continue. And then basically, do not click on tailored lead campaign. You want to set to manual because Facebook is also business. Facebook makes money on you spending money on their platform. And if you give them control, they're going to make you spend more money. So you want to give them the least control as possible. So click manual leads campaign, continue. Okay, and the next process is let's just give this a name. So we're going to do Facebook ads roofing, sorry, camp, right, roofing campaign. Okay, we leave this all alone. We leave this campaign objective to leads. And A/B testing is if you have multiple images and you don't know which variation will work the best, you can have this on. But right now, we don't need this. Advantage campaign budget. Right now, you don't need this. Basically, you can have a strategy of you let Facebook pick which one's going to be the winner, or you can manually test which one will be the winner. I like to manually test because I want to know which one is the accurate one. So we're going to click on next, okay? Okay, so add a name. We're going to make this a, let's say we're going to do roofing image ad. Boom. And there is different ways you can get these conversions or leads too. So if you have a website, you want to get them to a website, you click on website, right? But the issue is with the website, you're going to get a higher cost per lead, but higher quality website and call. So pretty much that you can lead them to a website or call them. Instant form is if you want to get their contact information, get to know about the lead before you contact them. Messenger, I would not recommend it for high ticket service. Instant form messenger, no. Calls, I would not recommend it. So if I were you guys, I would start off with instant forms. But if you guys have a really good website or a landing page, click on the website option. So then you're going to link your Facebook account, your business account. So if you already have it, make sure it's connected. Okay. Set your budget. So I would recommend if you're doing roofing to have your budget minimum to $50 a day. And for the start date, I recommend to start at the next day at 12 a.m. your time. So the reason why is because if you launch your ad budget right now, okay, there you go. If you launch your ad right now it's it's 1 p.m. So half of the day is already done. So it's going to spend $50 in 12 hours compared to $50 in 24 hours. So that's why I really recommend to start at 12 a.m. Okay. Uh, these options don't do end days unless if you have like a total budget, you don't want to go over that. Facebook sometimes might exactly show you they might go over that a little bit. Sometimes when you're spending really well. Locations, just make sure you have your correct locations on. So click X. So for example, I live in Bucks County, so we're gonna target Bucks County. Boom. We're gonna have this right here, guys. And just select the counties, the state, the cities you want to go after. Have it in here, okay? I would not recommend to do mile radius just because Facebook's not totally accurate with that. So I would select the counties you want to target, okay? Advantage plus audience, I would not recommend to do that. And to be honest, don't touch the Advantage Plus placements. Don't touch that because Facebook's algo has been really good recently. Before it's been really trash. Now it's been really good. Now they know where's a good spot for you to get leads from. So don't touch any of this. You could if you for example, let's say if you want to target homeowners, right? It says right now 18 to 65 plus, and trust me, guys, it's not going to show too many 18-year-olds. Facebook will understand what type of campaign it is. It's really good at doing that. So, for example, if you want to do a really tailored campaign, you can do, for example, homeowners. Let's just do 30 plus. So let's do 30. All genders is fine. You can usually put male because sometimes it's usually male like its audience. Detailed targeting, if you really want to, you can. For example, if you do real estate we can target real estate the industry. So if you want to target commercial people, so if you want to target like really high end commercial, this might be a good option. But if you want to do residential generic leads, I would not touch this. I would not touch this at all. So just switch to use Advantage Plus. So this is fine. Yeah, Advantage Plus Playmas is fine. More options. Don't touch any of this. Let's do next. Okay. Add name. Let's do roofing image add one. Boom. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down. Image, a single image or video is fine. And we're going to do create an ad. We're going to remove the media we have installed. And to create the image, right? So if you want to do an image ad, what I recommend is if you don't have any skills of photoshopping or making your videos or images yourself, I would go to this website called Canva. It's free to use. And just search up a template called Roof and select the roofing template that you like the most. So, for example, let's just do, I have no idea. Let's just click on this one. This one looks fine. And pretty much what we'll do is once you get this up, we're going to click on customize, customize this template. Boom. Okay. And what we're going to do is you're going to edit with your company name, maybe your picture. Just put in your information in. Right now in this tutorial, I'm not going to bother doing that. So I'm going to pretend this is all set up correctly. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on share. I'm going to click on download. And we're going to download this image right here. Boom. Give it a second to load. And while it's downloading, we're going to go back to the Facebook ads actually. And we're going to create a new form. So there's a couple options. Okay, download it. Sweet. So there's a couple options. You can go for volume or you can go for higher quality. I personally like to go for higher quality because I don't want my clients to keep calling bullshit leads all day. I want them to go with higher intent. So we're going to click on this option called higher intent. And we're going to do roofing form. Boom. We're going to click on next. Okay. Next. Headline. Honestly, if you guys are not that creative, like I said, you can use ChatGPT to your advantage. So, for example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on snipping tool and I'm going to get a new snippet. I'm going to take a screenshot of this like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I don't think I have it up. We're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to ask it. So I'm going to just paste it right here. Give me a roofing instant form. Boom. We're going to click enter. And we just submitted the video or image to ChatGPT. So for the headline, boom, get fast and free roofing estimate today. I love that. Sounds great. We're gonna paste in here, and then for the description, we're gonna just copy it here. Sorry, paste it in here. Okay, so this is what the intro is gonna look like. You can obviously submit your background image to whatever you want. Today we're not gonna do that. Click next. Questions. So ChatGPT gave me some questions. So contact information, boom, boom, boom. And we can ask questions like, okay, what service do you need done? Installation, repair, replacement, maintenance, inspection. So we can ask these questions. And how to ask questions is this. So, okay, we're going to add, so we don't want email. If you do want email, so we're going to just quickly do contact field. We're going to do phone number. So I like to do this order, phone number, email, and then let's just do address. Okay, hold on. Let's do the street address right here. Okay. And we're going to do like this order. I like this order right here. And then for the questions, what I like to do is let's do multiple choice. And for example, we're going to literally copy this question. I like this question a lot. What roofing service do you need done? Okay. And then basically we're just going to select the options they have here. So if you want to only do roof installations, right, then you select only the roof installation as the answer. But if you want to get any type of roofing lead, then you just select all these options right here. So roof replacement, and you get the gist. So we're gonna click on plus. That's fine. This is okay. And what type of material do you prefer? So we can ask this another question right here. So the more questions you guys ask, just know that your cost per lead is gonna be higher, but the quality is gonna be much better. So we're asking these qualifying questions to see what type of um, roof installation they want to do. And by the way, with each Facebook ad campaign, what you guys want to do is you guys want to run an offer. So the image I installed, they had no offer. It just showed that we are a roofing company. So what you can do is you can ask ChatGPT or go to Facebook Ad Library. I'll show you in a second what type of offers we can run. So let's see if the ChatGPT has any more qualifying questions. So yeah, so basically you just click on questions and then you would do the multiple choice answers, okay? And then once you have everything done, you just click on next. And then for the link, what you need to do is have a private policy link. I'm just gonna honestly just use my website, handy link, private policy. I don't know if I have it. Okay, whatever. But basically, I have my own private policy. You put it there. You will click on next. Um, and then for what I would recommend is to put your website. So just put your website after they fill out the form so they can check out your work. Thanks, you're all set. And then you can do visit view website. It's fine. Create form. Boom. Okay, so there's an error here. What's going on? Description. Okay, we need a description. It's fine. So we'll just copy the same description. Um, this give me a description of how the client's information is going to be used. So I'm using ChatGPT for a lot of this, just to speed up the process. But a lot of times you don't need to use ChatGPT if you have a creative mind. Um, okay, so we're just gonna whatever. You just copy this, but I don't feel like waiting. Okay, boom. You click on next, next, ending, create form. Then obviously, if everything checks out, it needs to get verified. So now let's go back to the creatives itself. 1 second. Let's go back to the creative. So there you go. Set up creative image ad, and we'll just upload what we just downloaded just now from Canva. Okay, we'll do this one right here. Okay, give it a second. It's processing right now. Once it's done processing, we will click on it. We'll click on it and then click on next. Click on next. Actually, we'll uncheck this. It's just loading really. Okay, skip. We don't want AI generation. Enhancements. Uncheck all of these. And okay, that should be. There we go. And then so now we have the creatives up. Okay, we have the creatives up. Now we need the ad copy. So how to find the ad copy and headline? What I would recommend is go to this platform called Facebook Ads Library. And why is this platform really good? You can see your competitors' ad and what offers they're running. And to see the winning campaigns, the only thing you have to do is click on filters, go to click on two from the dates. Sorry, the dates right here. Then click on a month ago, so January 17th. You click on here. And now we're going to see the ads that have been running for a month because why would a failing ad campaign be running longer than a month? So let's give it a moment to load. My computer's really slow. I got a lot of things going on. So then what you're going to do is you're just going to compare the offers they have here. So what does this company do? So they click on, okay, get roof replacement, no sales rep. 597 a roof. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're just going to compare your offers. Starting new roof at 7,000 is pretty cheap. Compare the offers that you like the most. Repair with no money down. Okay, so this one's interesting. So no money downs. Your cost per lead is going to be super cheap on these. So if you can do something like this, I actually like the no money down one. If you do that offer, but what you can do is, for example, you can get a bunch of offers, like you get 5 offers, you just paste it into ChatGPT and tell it, hey, give me a unique offer based on these 5 offers that I like into my unique one from my company. So you can do that. That's what I would recommend. So, for example, let's say you come up with the offer and this is the offer ChatGPT gives you. You click on primary text, boom, enter. So that'll be your ad copy. That'll be on top here. And then for the headline is going to be where they will fill out. Let's see what he has up here. He has get new roof with $0 down. I actually really like that one. His cost per lead is dirt cheap. Get a. Let me just double check. Get a new roof with $0 down. Okay. Sorry, it's just loading. Get a new roof done with zero. Let's just do $sign $0. Why does not do that? Okay. $0 down. Boom. So that's gonna be the headline. Okay, boom. And then you can see right here how it's gonna look like on the other people's screen right here. And then what we can do is we can have the variation. I really would not recommend that. Description, you could use it. But I will click on filler call to action. I will click on right here. I will click on get quote. Boom. Get quotes. And that's pretty much it for the Facebook ad, how to set it up. This is just very basic. So what I would do differently is have an offer with your creative or image ad. I would rather have video ads, and to how to study which video ads are winners, go to Facebook ad library, see what your competitors are running. You see, it says get a new roof for free. Probably some BS offer they have running, but maybe some sort of insurance claim. So just you could do something like this: get a new roof free and soon, blah blah. Something that entices the owner, gives them an offer. So do something like this, and then resonate to what you can copy to yourself. And then pretty much paste into Facebook Ads Library, and then when you're done, just click on this button, publish. And then once it gets done reviewing, it should take a couple hours to get done to get verified. Then pretty much you'll get a notification on your Facebook saying, "Hey, ad is launched," and then that's how you test your ads. So guys, if you have any other questions on how to run Facebook ads for roofing, comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you have any questions in specifics, book a call with me, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care, guys.